Maths. I am Priya here to teach you class 10 mathematics. Question number 5. The question is, the first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45. And the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. So they have given three given data. The given data is first term which is equal to 5. And the last term which is equal to 45. Last term means an. Okay. And the sum of those terms are 400. Now we have to find the value of n and the common difference d. First let me find the value of n because it seems easy. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an. So we know the value of all terms except n. So let me substitute all the known terms. So 400 is equal to n by 2, 5 plus 45. So 400 into 2 is equal to n of 50 and 800 divided by 50 is equal to n, and n value is equal to 16. Now we know the value of n, so let's find out the value of d. An is equal to 45 and n is equal to 16 means a16 is equal to 45, right? So how can we expand this a16? A plus 15d is equal to 45, right? So a value will be 5 plus 15d is equal to 45, where d is equal to 45 minus 5 divided by 15 and d is equal to 8 by 3. So we know the value of n and the d. Question number 6. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? So in last term they have given the first and last term and the sum. We need to find the number of terms and common difference. But in this sum they have given the first and last term and the common difference. We need to find the number of terms and sum. So the given data are a1 which is equal to a is equal to 17, an is equal to 350 and d is equal to 9. We don't know what is n and Sn. What is the formula for an? To find n we need to use the formula an. An is equal to Sa plus n minus 1 into d. 350 is equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. Solving this, 350 minus 17 divided by 9 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 9. N is equal to 38. So we have found out the value of n. Now we have to find the value of Sn. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, from the given data we know the value of a and an. So just now we have found the value of n. So let's substitute these value here. So therefore Sn is equal to 19 of 367. Therefore Sn is equal to 6973. Sum of n terms will be 6973. Seventh question. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. The given data are n is equal to 22, d is equal to 7, now a22 is equal to 149. We need to find what is a and Sn. From this given data, first we need to find the value of A. So what is the formula for AN? By using this formula, we need to find the value of A. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So now we know the value of A. From this, we have to find the value of Sn. What is the formula of Sn? N by 2 into A plus AN. Here N is 22. 22 divided by 2, A is 2 and 149. Into 151, whereas Sn is equal to 1661. Okay. Sum of first 22 terms is 1661. Question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. In question number 8, the given data are n is equal to 51, A2 is equal to 14, A3 is equal to 18, and we need to find what is A, D and Sn. Here we know what is the value of A2, and let me expand this, and where A plus D is equal to 14. You know the value, and while expanding A3, okay. So this will be your equation 1 and this will be your equation 2. Subtracting, why do we subtract? To eliminate one of those variables, because both the variables are unknown factors. To find one, we have to eliminate one of those variables. So for that I am subtracting these two equations, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so A plus 2D is equal to 18 minus A plus D, which is equal to 14. To subtract, I have to change the symbols first, and A is getting eliminated. 2D minus D will be D, which is equal to 4, and we know the value of D. What we have to do next? Substituting D in one of those equations to find the value of A. Okay. Substituting D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 seems easier, so that's why I am substituting in that. A plus D is equal to 14 and A plus, where D is equal to 4. Let me differentiate this. Okay. A plus 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 minus 4, where A is equal to 10. Okay, so now we know the value of both A and D, so that we can find the value of Sn. So we have found A and D, so we need to find the value of Sn. Okay. The formula of sum of n terms will be n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So I am using this formula because we don't have the value of An. Here S51 is equal to 51 divided by 2. The value of A will be, value of A is 10 and value of D is 4. Yes, 51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 into 220. we have to cancel this and we will get 110, and the final answer for S51 will be 5610. So the sum of first 51 terms is 5610. The ninth question is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of the first n terms. Given data are sum of first 7 terms is 49 and S17, that is sum of first 17 terms will be 289, right? Okay, we have to find the sum of n terms. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? I am going to expand this in this form. In this sum, we don't know what is A, what is B. So first we have to find what is A and what is B. From that we can easily find the value of n. Here, and 2a plus 6b is equal to 49 into 2 by 7, and this will be my equation 1. Okay. By solving this, I am getting equation 1. Now we have to solve this to get equation 2. In this format, so S17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. This 2 and this 2 getting cancelled. A plus AD is equal to 17. This will be my equation 2. Now I get equation 1 and equation 2. What is the next step? To find one of those variables. Okay. To find what I have to do. To find those variables, what do I need to do? To eliminate one of those elements to get another one. Okay. For that I need to subtract these two elements, right? Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So A plus AD, which is equal to 17, minus A plus 3 is which is equal to 7. When subtracting this, first I need to change the symbol. A is getting eliminated and 5D will equal to 10 and D which is equal to 2. Now what do I have to do? I know the value of D, so what do I need to do? I need to substitute this value of D in one of those equations. Okay, I am substituting D is equal to 2 in equation 1 because I felt that is easy. Is equal to 7. Okay, now A plus 3 of 2 equal to 7. Now I know the value of D and A. Okay. Now what do we have to do? Now we have to find the value of sum of n terms. For finding the value of sum of n terms, they have given the value of n is n itself. So what is the formula again? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here n is n. So 2 of 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. N by 2 of 2 plus 2n minus 2. And this gets cancelled. 2n is equal to n square. 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So Sn is equal to n square. Sum of n terms is equal to n square. This is the answer for this sum. Question number 10. Show that A1, A2, An form an AP where An is defined as below. Okay, also find the sum of first 15 terms in each. Okay, they have given two situations where An is equal to 3 plus 4n and An is equal to 9 minus 2n. 9 minus 5n. Okay. Let's write the given data. First one, An is equal to 3 plus 4. If this questions arise, we need to give the value for n. Where by putting in question there is no A, there is no D. So we have to form an AP. Okay, so let's just put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes on. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 goes on. A1 is equal to, now we have to substitute these n values in this equations. 4 of 1. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 of 2 3 plus. From this, we have to find the value of D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. And A3 minus A2 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. Therefore, the sequence is 7, 11, 15 and it goes on. Right? Is an AP. So therefore the sequence 7, 11, 15 is an AP. Now what is the second part of the question? Also find the sum of the first 15 terms of each case. Now we have to find the sum of first 15 terms in this sequence. Now S15 is equal to, what is the formula for Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Here my n is 15. 2, my a will be 7. N will be 15 and d will be 4. Okay? By substituting this, I get S15 is equal to 525. Okay, this is for the first equation. Now let's move on to the second part of the question. In this sum also we need to put the value for n. By putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Where a1 is equal to A2 is equal to 9 minus 5 of 2. we have to find the value of D. How to find the value of D? A2 minus A1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, the value of D is minus 5. Therefore, the sequence is sequence 4, minus 1, minus 6 is an AP. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of first 15 terms of this particular sequence. S15. What is the formula for Sn? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t, right? So now our A is 4 plus 15 minus 1 into our D is minus 5. By solving this, we will get the final value of S15 is minus 4. The sum of first 15 terms is minus 465.